All right, so I've been documenting a little bit about us doing these headlights for this Dodge Charger, and so we got it to this point now. We've already got it taken apart. I've already got the old ones out. Got those all taken out. Getting ready to put the new Diode Dynamics DRLs back in their place. We have the RGB controller, which will wire up under the hood, and then you can see I've got the casing here all taken apart so I can get to everything. This one here came apart really nice. There's no distortion of the casing, so it should go back together really nice and easy and look really good. So I was really happy and really pleased with that. So, but funny thing is, when we took this one apart, somebody at some point had busted a bulb inside it. So you can see all the glass in there that I got to clean out before I can make a nice seal again. So that's kind of annoying, but that's the kind of things you run into occasionally. These are the kind of things that, you know, a lot of shops may just go ahead and put it back together and never tell you or never even show you what happened. But yes, I've got documentation. I plan on videoing this anyway, so it kind of worked out in my favor. You can see we got the lenses here, laying here nice and clean. Got them all taped up. Nothing on the inside except for remnants of glass from this one here. So yeah, it's going on really good. This whole process hasn't taken very long. The videos probably make it take a little bit longer, but it's turned out nice, and you'll definitely see some video once it's all finished.